In order to ensure the safety and well-being of all Education Abroad participants, students traveling internationally on an Education Abroad program are required to fill out the Education Abroad Health Form. The Education Abroad Health Form is a brief document for students to list any physical or mental health concerns or conditions they may have, including allergies, and any medications taken. The form is private, stored in a HIPAA-compliant database, and only reviewed and accessible by authorized health professionals with the MSU Travel Clinic. Upon submission and review of the form, you may be contacted for more information or clarification. It is available in the Forms section of your program on VIA Global once you've committed to your program. Upon clicking the link, you'll be taken to the Education Abroad student portal, where you'll need to log in order to submit your form to the secure database. This document would only ever be shared with the university physician in the event of an emergency as a last resort, who would then share pertinent information with Global Safety if needed to support the medical emergency response. No member of the Education Abroad team, program director, or on-site staff member would ever have access to the form. Before leaving on your program, you should consult with your primary care physician or doctor, or visit a clinic like the MSU Travel Clinic to discuss your health plan and needs while abroad, especially vaccines you may need for your travel. Some countries require certain vaccinations as a condition of granting a visa. You may want to review the CDC Traveler's Health Recommendations to be best informed of your healthcare choices and schedule your travel health appointment as soon as possible if needed. As this document is confidential, you will have to separately inform program directors and on-site staff of your needs and accommodations as is relevant. If you have dietary restrictions, your program director will not know unless you inform them. If you carry an EpiPen or have medical conditions that you'd like to make your on-site staff aware of, let them know. It is important to do this as early as possible so arrangements can be made. You can also submit an accommodations request to the MSU Resource Center for Persons with Disabilities. Even if you have already done so for your on-campus studies, you will need to submit a new Education Abroad specific request. The RCPD will then work with the Office for Education Abroad and the program director to meet those requests. As the possible and available accommodations can vary significantly by program and location, it is required to make this accommodations request at least 6 weeks before your program start date to ensure adequate time to find solutions. Your health needs shouldn't stop you from experiencing an MSU Education Abroad program. With the Education Abroad Health Form and advanced planning with program directors and the RCPD, you'll be perfectly equipped to travel, learn, and enjoy education abroad with peace of mind.